In this video, we are going to look at transformation. Now, transformation is simply reducing the size of an image without destroying any particular area in that image. Now, transformation can be in different types. Okay, and we are going to look at the different types of transformation right here in this video. Now, to transform a particular image, you select the layer you want to transform, and let's quickly reduce the size of this layer. Okay, and let me brighten it up a little. There we go. So here we have an image, and we want to transform this image. Now, to do that, you go to your edit, and under your edit you see transform. Now right here you see scale, rotate, skew, and the rest of them. We are going to look at scale, we're going to look at rotate, we're going to look at skew down to warp, and I'm going to show you how to rotate in different degrees. So now when you scale an image, you are reducing the size of that image without the image being affected in any area. So you either trying to scale it up or scale it down. Now there's one thing about scaling that I would like you to understand, and when you scale, always avoid scaling at the top center or the side center, because it destroys the original size or shape of the image. Now when you want to reduce, it's always advised that when you want to scale, you scale from the edge right here, from any of the corners here, and when you scale, always hold your shift key and scale so that it maintains the original size of that image. Okay, now that is just for those of you that might not know how this is done. Now there are some cases that you might want to scale from here or here. Now if such kind of work permits you to do so, then there's nothing wrong with it. Okay, so that is how to scale. Now the next thing we're looking at is, we'll look at the next transform, which is rotate. Now to do all of this, you can rotate in any degrees you want simply by clicking and dragging when you see this mouse having a curved two-headed arrow like that. Now when you get to the point where you want your rotation to stop, you accept it by clicking the check mark on the tool option bar. Now you can also rotate by going to the tools option bar where you see this like an angle. You rotate that by dragging, and you see your image is rotating. Okay, so that is how to rotate an image. Now we are going to be talking about other forms of transformation, and I wouldn't want to be going to our edit menu to get the transformation properties. Now what I want to do is, I want to show you another way to get the transformation menu. Now with your move tool selected and the particular layer you're working on selected, click on the layer to make it active, and right click on one of the nodes to give you a list of the transformation menu items. Now we've looked at scale, we've looked at rotate. We're going to look at how skew works. Now we'll click on skew, and let's see how skew works. You see that? So you have it like that. Okay, now we are trying to make it lie down. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say, but we are skewing it now. I think this is nice. So that is for skewing. Let's look at another transformation command. Here we're talking about perspective, and perspective is just similar to skewing, just that this is a little different. Now you can try all these using other images to see what the result will look like. And here we have distort. Okay, now we are distorting the image, and wow, looks funny. And the final one we have there is warp. Now warping is a very nice thing to use. Depending on what you are doing, you can warp objects and images to your choice. Okay, now try out some of these things yourself, see how it works. Now if you want to rotate the image 90 degrees, you can rotate 90 degrees clockwise, you can rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise, and you can rotate 180 degrees. Now flipping the image horizontal, it kind of turns the image, gives it a mirrored look, and flipping it vertical gives it an upside down look like this. Okay, so those are some of the basic things we are going to treat in transformation, and I believe you understood. And if you don't get it, go back to the video, watch it, and try to understand what we did there. I'll see you